Hello guys, I'm doing no con challenge. If I like the channel and then I will do it again. Yeah, this is an attempt, and I have to beat my record. Yeah, I have to beat my record. And now let's start. Now. This is a good day. Okay. I didn't. Okay. Now attempt 1 or 2. Okay. I just collect the coin, bro. No, not the app. Oh, okay. And then. Okay, this is like attempt 2, I think. This might be attempt 2 or attempt 3. Bro, what? Okay. Now attempt 3, I think. No, bro. Now attempt 4. Now attempt 4. Now please. Okay. We must not collect coins right now. And also make sure to like and subscribe. And then if this video hits 20 likes, and then I will do like a Subway service contact. I didn't do like someone's service contact, but I need to do it. Now this attempt. Okay, now attempt 6. I was about to say attempt 5. And then make sure to like and subscribe. And now attempt 7. Now if we hit 150 subscribe, I will do a Red Room contact. And then at 100 subscribe, I will do Facebook Reel. Now I think the attempt 7 or 8. I think it's 8 for sure. And then I've been like played Subway service for long, and then Subway service like 10 years. Subway service is like older than me. But I'm 10 years old. But I don't know which month and day did Subway service released. But I'm older than ETA. I know older than ETA 5 because ETA 5 was released in 2013 and I was born in 2013, but I was born in 2013 September 3 and then ETA released in 2013 September 13, I think, or 15. I don't know. And I'm now, I don't know which intent it is. I forgot it. I think 11 on the 10 or 12. I am. I was talking and I didn't know, and I'm sorry for the thing, and I'm. And people in the comments say I live in Afghanistan when I posted a map chart in my short, but I don't live in Afghanistan. I live in Germany, and because Afghanistan is in the Taliban rule. But I'm from Afghanistan, but I live in Germany because I want to be better in life. Because I don't want to die of hunger or thirsty. Because there's like so many homeless people in Afghanistan because of wars. Or because of wars. I don't know what happened to my country, but I hope my country will be better next time. If not, I will be sad. Yeah. Now I have to be careful to not collect the magnet. The magnet is the monster. Yeah, the monster. But I grind so hard in my life that I think. But I have a rec room, and then in rec room I almost got banned in rec room. No. All because of bullying, or because not bullying, because of hacker. I play rec room, park. I play park in rec room, and then I saw a hacker. The hacker had a red text. It says left room, only room, and the text is red. If you say a hacker with a red text and leave and don't report him, I report the hacker in red, and he joined, and then it says your account will be banned in 3 seconds, and I left immediately, and my heart was beating. And I'm glad I left because my account wasn't banned. You see the chat says your account will be banned any minute or hours. Leave or second. You must leave before he bans your account. Don't stay. If your mom calls you, that means you must say wait and then leave. And then I was so scared that my account will be banned, because I don't want my account to be banned, because I need this account, because he has one of my best friends. And I really love my friends. They help me out all the trophies. And then please like and subscribe. That we do a F1 contact. and now 100 subscriber is to do a face reveal. I was like, I do you what if who didn't show the face, and then I have to show my face, and then guys, please don't bully because and please don't bully me because I'm so ugly, and then don't spam don't spam hate me. I was like, because I have a disease. Look, I can't talk not so good. Every time I talk, I have a disease, and it is really bad for me because this disease, when I talk, and then I cannot talk good. Because of the disease. This disease and my life a nightmare. I've been bullied, hated, like because of this disease, because I got bruises in my knee. And then please reach out to 100 subscribers to do a Facebook, and don't bully me because of my face, or because of the bullies who beat me up, and then now I became ugly, or because of that. Now I don't want to get hated. I was like you. What you dream? Like I don't want to get bullied a lot. Now I'm gonna end the video. Now I hope I get 100 subscribe for Facebook, and 150 for random contact. And then if this video hits 20 likes, I will do Subway Survey contact. Now I can prove I'm not bad at Subway Service, but I'm good at Subway Service. I'm gonna prove you I'm good at Subway Service. And then if you on my name, okay, I'm gonna like review my real name, and you think my real name is like Ali or Amir, but no, my real name is Amir Ali. Because I changed my name because my name was so when I say my name and people say Amir Allah, no, not that one, like Ami Pale or Ami Ele. I say no, not that one. And that's why I changed my name. Now, goodbye guys. I have to end the stream. Bye bye.